using Claude to get my 420central.net site up and going, which eventually it will be up and going. So I will try and record the whole process. Claude has set it up so I can run locally, which is pretty cool. But I will try to record the entire thing. The time is currently 4:35 a.m. The date is 10/06/2025. Okay. So where am I at right now? I have it up and running locally. Just basically the basics of it. And I had to pause right there for a minute. So I let Claude know because Claude set up with banner ads that are placeholders, but they do not appear to work. So I will get Claude so that he fixed this. So let's check and see. Just do a refresh and let's see if it's working now. This is actually pretty cool because, oh wow, it is actually working well. That is really cool. Okay. I'll do my best also to not the placeholder. I do my best not to show any or have it put any password related things that I can't show because I don't really know how and have the ability yet to like blur out things on the screen. Let me go ahead and go right here. So I have a lot of different videos that I've made, but I can't put them up because they have things that I do not know how to get rid of, or have the ability to get rid of yet. I know how to. I need to get different software, but I can't do that right now, currently on this PC. Okay, so where am I at right now? I'm going to pause so I could bring Claude back up and then move him over to the other screen just in case. Okay, so I do not have a camera on this PC either. If I did, I would show you that I'm drinking my Rise coffee, which is the mushroom coffee, but it's really, I like it not really for the taste, I like it for the effect it works. And where am I at right now? So I want to do more testing. Let's see. Ooh, let's see if I can go here. Admin dashboard. All posts, manage banners. Cool. That is really cool. This is so cool that I'm actually doing this. If you're seeing this, you should go to 420central.net and see what's up there right now. It is not this. This will be up there later. Right now I just have a very like bland sort of like a place where I was documenting different things, and I stopped documenting a few months back because I've been working on different other things besides that. But this site will soon be there, but I am testing it all locally right now and using Claude, which is really cool because Claude assists a lot in what I'm doing, speeds things up. Such as where I'm hosting right now, I cannot really host this site there because this site uses Node.js and different things that my host provider does not support, which is it is what it is. But also another thing that my host provider doesn't support MCP, which gives Claude or whatever large language model or thing that you're using like ChatGPT, it gives you the ability to use them to interact with whatever has that ability. It's a SCP server. It's a server that lets Claude. It'll let Claude interact with the site, change things. Like I have Claude set up with Superbase, which is a database site, so it can actually help. It actually did help set up the tables and stuff in the database and all that other good stuff. So it using Claude or other things really improves, it speeds up your process. It makes you better at what you're doing. It helps improve what you're doing also. And I know I need to get a different microphone too. Eventually I will. Let me pause this right now. Okay, I'm just going to let Claude know that my slide so you can see over here. I need to, before sliding over and all the other good stuff, I just need to double check that nothing is showing that shouldn't be showing. It's already over, so it's already over here. If it does, then that means I can't upload the video, and I really want to upload this video. Just because I'm really happy to get my site back up and going. So what I'm going to do, okay, I am now so this where did I actually, yeah, this site actually, the 420central.net, I created this on Replit, and Replit is really cool for, well, it's cool for creating, maybe like when you're in the second phase of things that you're creating. And I say that as far as like the first phase, when you're doing like what something should look like, or like a home page or something like that, you should use something like Bolt or Lovable because they just look so much better. Like the actual, like the landing page or something, what it looks like, theirs are beautiful. Bolt and Lovable, I know there are others, but those are the only two that I've used, really. Then Replit is good for like actually setting up what you want to happen and like correcting issues that you run into. When I did set it up on Replit, I'm trying to think, how did I do I don't actually, so the database was set up in Replit. Replit uses, I think, the only database they might let you use others, but I use a Postgres database, and my hosting website does not allow me to use Postgres unless I believe I need to actually, I would have to host on a VPS, which is virtual private server. But that's extra. That's I think that's like $20 to $30 a month. But I'm going to move over to a different host, which gives that ability, but also gives the ability for MCP server, so that Claude can interact with it and assist getting this set up, because I want this set up as soon as possible, and I want it set up, working where I can actually work on it. I like the fact that I can work on it locally, see what it's going to look like, and then set it up there. So I did have this on Replit. What I did was trying to think, did I just I think I just downloaded this, because I didn't have this in GitHub. That's also something that I need to set up for this site, so that GitHub will let you, it gives you a better way to manage your site or whatever you're working on, whatever program that you're working on. GitHub lets you manage it, gives you a better way to manage it, manage versions, and also lets you be able to share it, have people come in and look at it, work on it also. So I want to continue here. I want to actually put out some banner ads. I want to make my own. Does it tell you the... Okay, that menu better ads. It should actually tell you the size. That's when I have it. For these examples, I'm going to ask Claude to... Oh, it does right here. Placeholder is 728 by 90. Okay. So the way I do it, I know there are better ways to do it. I just use paint. So let's go to... I don't already have paint up and running. This computer is actually a lot quicker, but I have so many things running that, and I'm using up the majority of its memory on tabs in Chrome. So I have paint open. I'm going to come over here and you can see I'm going to go to resize. That way I can make the... I go to pixels because that's what this should be, 728 by 90. Let me slide this. Oh, I can't slide it over while that window's open. Resize, pixels. Gotta turn that off. 720. What? Am I not? Oh. 728 by 90. And go to OK. See, now I'm the same size as the banner ad. 728 by 90. And I'm gonna put in my own little... I do have another site I'm gonna link this to for the banner ad. And for that, let me put background. Yeah, I'm so excited about getting this up and running. Oh, actually, no, let's do... Whoops, let's go back here. Oh, I can't do black because, yeah, so I'll do green. No, let's do pink, and then I want to do black. Black and pink is something I wanted to do anyways, together. Text, the capitals, and cards. Oh no, let's do sativa. I think the ones, okay, sativa cards.com. And I might not have to highlight that, but I'm highlighting it anyways, I think. Let me see, can I... So 20, let's go to... 36 is probably too big. But one way to find out. Let's go to 36. Oh, 36 isn't too big. Wow, that's pretty cool. And I'm just doing this just to... But oh. I thought I didn't change the black background to pink. Thought I did. Oh well. Easy enough. Now I gotta go in. Oh. Oh well. Okay, so that'll be one of the banner ads. Very professionally done. Not really, but oh well. I've never used this edit with Paint 3D. Oh well. One day I will. This is actually fun. I like this. Okay, so file, save as. I'm not sure. Wait, let me see. Does it say what these are? Are these? No, it doesn't say what they are. But I've been using PNG a lot, so I'll save this as that file. Okay, I saved this into a folder, onto a folder on the computer. Now, let me see. Oh, yeah. The thing is, this is asking for a this is actually loading up from a location online. And I could actually do that. That's what I should, well, let me see, how would I, that's, no, that's, yeah, I am hosting on a different website, like a different host provider, the host provider. I'm liking using that compared to setting things up entirely in Replit. Replit, I believe, is too expensive to, if you're trying to do something. Replit is good for the beginning phase, I think, but to do something where you want to continue on host also, make changes, it's probably a lot cheaper to do it this way, where you have a host provider and you're hosting it there. And of course you could use Replit for hosting, but like when I want to go just put a folder somewhere, it's a lot quicker to do that manually at the hosting site compared to doing it on Replit, at least for me. Banner link URL. Ooh, actually yes, I can do this. So I can go to, yes, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to load that picture onto a host site that I'm using. That way I can pull the picture directly from that folder on the site. Cool, cool, cool. I'll probably pause while I'm doing this because I don't really have much to say, and you'll just won't be seeing anything while I'm doing it. So I'm gonna pause. Okay, I unpaused. I haven't done it yet. I figure I'll just talk through what I'm doing. So I'm going to my host provider, and okay, cool. So I am there. I'm gonna go into, do I already have an images folder? I do have an images folder. But it's just called IMG, not image. Oh no, let me go into the actual folder where I'm hosting this on a site that gives you the ability to host multiple websites. So I need to create a folder and click on that. Folder name, I'll just call it images, IMAGES. Create new folder, awesome. So I created that folder. I'm going to go inside the folder now. Inside this folder, I'm going to go to upload. I click upload all the time. I always have to look for where it's at. There, right where it's always at. Okay, cool. So now I can go back to this site. Not this site, this folder. I thought I just made a folder in here, did I not? Where's my stupid image I just made? Okay. I'll blend this on its early, and it's just got this file save as, it shows you where you just saved it. Oh. Oh, that's why. Okay, that's where it's at. Oh yeah, I know now. I had to go back at, oh man, let me well, doesn't matter. I was just saying oh man because the caps lock was still on when I made the folder, and the folder is in all caps and I don't like that, so I'm changing it. Okay, so now I can, let's go and upload this baby. Upload, and it is uploaded. And it's banner01.png. Oh, I could just, oh, thought I could just copy, oh I can. Okay, cool. So now, and it's in the images folder, so now I can do this right here. Okay, so Control V, and that one is at Did I put this in the right location? Is that where I really wanted it to be? Oh no, I want it to be in... Oh well. Yeah, actually, let's move it. Actually, I don't think I... That's a problem that you run into when you have a lot of... When you're hosting and doing things different places, you gotta remember all that stuff. So... This one's actually stupidcards.com is the banner ad, but I cannot... No, I can't use that. Oh, okay, let's, what? Yeah. I'll fix that later. And Control V. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh, does it automatically try it? Oh, whoops, I didn't see that part. I figure there, what? Indica card stack. Oh, I forgot the folder. INAGS. That's something I need to fix is when I try to type it screws that up. So let's just copy this whole thing. And I'll just paste it in the notepad and I'll fix it on notepad and just paste it back. Because I cannot type things in there and I'm not going through having the amount of time. I don't know how long it is. Images. That might be a quick fix for Claude, but I don't feel like messing with that right now. I'll mess with that at a different time. There we go. That is awesome. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, and it's dumb that it's at that location anyways, but oh well. Okay, I'm trying to think if I have another site that I can... that actually has something up. Oh, but where's the banner? Yes, the banner URL. Okay. I guess I'll have to change that to indicacards.com. No, I'll leave it at sativacards.com. Yeah. I'm doing this in Notepad. Then I'll just paste it over there. So I got a copy. And Control V. And the thing is though, this was made, the whole thing where I try to type something it doesn't come out because there's some timing issue. That was made in Replit like a few months ago. Or maybe, I don't know how many months ago, but everything changes so fast, that issue might already be corrected. So that's actually what's pretty cool about it. Wow, so when I change it here, it changes on the site right away, which I sort of don't like that, but oh well. But yeah, because there's no save button, so... Oh, is there a... Yeah, there's an X to exit out of dashboard. Okay, cool. So now if I click on that, it works. Awesome. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay. This one just goes to the example domain. It's weird, I wonder who owns that. Oh. Oh, that's pretty cool. Example.com. Okay, so this is how far I've gotten on this right now. Running locally, I've set up a banner ad. I want to do this ad now just because it's fun. But I want to see if there's anything I have to do to actually get this up and running on the website is... Yeah, I don't believe I could do that right at the moment. What is that? Okay, so this is actually here. I'll show you. So 420 central.net. So this is when you go to 420central.net. This is what you see. See when my last post that I put up was at uh, March, April 2025. Yeah, I'm just talking about a bunch of stuff here. Okay, where did I just see? Um, oh, this is what I wanted to highlight. Our dreams, the secret sauce. Do I have my... I don't see that. Oh, I wanted to highlight something else. I like this right here also. Oh, the train has not left the station. Let's talk about AI because it's pretty cool that everything that's going on technology-wise. So I want to be part of everything going on, and if you want to be also jump in and learn as much as you can, just get involved because it should be pretty interesting times. This is what I was looking for. The robots are coming, and I think they're actually here in some places. But okay, so let's go back. That's actually at 420central.net. So eventually 420central.net, I want it to be this site. This site is basically a site for like messaging or putting up posts or anything, but I'll probably change it as time goes by. Okay, so I think this is a good place to end the video, but before I do, what I want to do is, for the video, I have probably like 5 videos on YouTube. This will be the next video, maybe 6 or 7, I don't know. I don't know what number this is, but yeah, I'm still recording. Okay, so I don't want to overwrite that. Does it still say? No, it's gone. Okay. Okay, so I do like that color. I like the little bits of green and the black and pink. I think those are good colors to put together. I would like a different pink, but I don't see the option. I guess I could pick it in here, but can I do different fonts? I don't know. Oh yeah, so for the videos on YouTube, for this video, I will put for the thumbnail. The thumbnail is just going to be that's actually a purplish. Let's go back to pink. And the text will be, of course, 420 in capital CENTRAL. But I want to put, I don't know if let me just type at the bottom. Can I do it? Enter? Yes. NET. Because, you know, there's a 420central.com and I don't want to get confused with that one. I don't know how to center this. Oh well, I know how to center it my way. So this will be my thumbnail. Okay, where's oh, cut, paste, go back this guy, go back that guy, fill that in, and there. Should I put a dot here? If I do put a dot, I guess it should be green. Dot. Dot net. Okay. There's my, is that what you call it? The thumbnail? The image that you see of the video. Because this will be 420central.net creation. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should put creation at the bottom. Why not? I'll leave it in green. And I want a different size, but I think I gotta start typing first, or I gotta do that first to go to a different size. That's too big, I think. And I'm using Claude Desktop. I know Claude Code is, of course, for code, but I just like the interface with Claude Desktop compared to trying to use Claude Code. And I do like Claude Code, but I just like the, what is they call that, is it GUI, graphical user interface, for, yeah, Claude Desktop. Let me show you Claude Desktop, which well, most people already know. So that's Claude Desktop. I could just type in here, and Claude Code. Let me pause it first in case Claude Code is showing anything it shouldn't show, and I don't want to mess this video up. I want to put this video up. So, okay, unpause. Ta-da! Here's Claude Code. So Claude Code, I type in here, and I need to. There's a, was it Claudia? I think that's like a graphical user interface for Claude Code, which will make it look like Claude Desktop, I believe. So I'll probably set that up sometime this week, because I'd rather use something like that. Oh yeah. I was doing this yesterday and my 5-hour limit was reached. Recess at 9 p.m. I think at the time was probably like 7 o'clock. Yeah, it was around 7 p.m. I reached my 5-hour limit. And in order to increase that, I could switch to max, but max is money that I do not have to spend right now. So I will not be switching to max at the moment. Okay, so this is Claude Code. Get out of here. And okay, so I want this down a little bit lower. Do the same thing, cut, paste, and you can just put it wherever you want. I want it down at the bottom. I'm not even sure the size of the thumbnail, so hopefully this size will be okay. And come back to this guy, and go right here for the color that you want. I'm just curious what it looks like. Do I want that? Sure, why not? I'll just put that. Okay, cool. Okay. This is done. This is my thumbnail, and I will save this where I save my other videos. Oh, wait. Yeah, where that video will be saved. This video that I'm doing right now will be saved. And I'll try and actually upload that now so that I can have it up there before I go to work. Shit, what's it? The time is 5:12 a.m. So I have about 40 minutes before I have to leave, and I still have to jump in the shower, all that good stuff. So I'll try and do that real quick, and I won't do it in, yeah, there's no use in trying to do a video while you're trying to upload a video. Okay, that is it for now. Goodbye.